Hello there, employers. Have a good day. My name is Pia Gonzado, 41 years old, from General Santos City, Philippines. I'm a single mother of one son. I'm a college level talk of information technology software. I have a work experience of two countries, which is 6 years in Saudi Arabia and 2 years in Kuwait. My main duties there is to take a good care of the kids ages 3, 6, and 9 years old. I am responsible to feeding, bathing, dress them, and let them go to sleep. I prepare the activities such as reading the books, teach them ABC, numbers, colors, and sounds of the animals. I also bring the kids in the playgrounds so that we playing the other kids and meet them together and play them together. I do the household chores like cleaning, washing, and ironing the clothes, and also do cooking simple dishes. I am a trustworthy, honest, fast learning, and kind person. To my future employer, if you hire me, I do my best to take care of your kids and your family. I hope you consider my applications, ma'am, and sir. Thank you and God bless.